Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on dark mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our mode to dark mode, we have to go to the settings first, and here we have our display options. To turn dark mode on, we simply need to check this little box, and our dark mode is now turned on. As you can see, our menus are black, yes, and to turn it off we simply have to switch to the light mode, and that's basically it. Very easy to do. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.